Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was down near its lows to where it ultimately closed up there, then, like I said, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls actually had a nice bounce today. The price started to show some signs of progress. That does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at the 55-cent mark. Why is 55 cents so important? Hopefully, we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, bounces that are actually bounces, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, well, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a bounce is a true bounce, it's going to make progress forward and not go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 55 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price pulls back, bounces around, and then starts to head back upwards like that. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that lows right there. If you look at these as stair steps, well, hey, now you're starting to get some progress in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress as time goes by. And in this situation, I am quantifying and defining quote-unquote progress as 55 cents. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not going to touch on those because, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority. Top priority by far is going through a healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. But main focus right now, build higher bases, because there's no doubt about it. Today was a nice bounce. Now it's just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.